day everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have to differentiate this function 5 plus 1 all over x from the first principle. Now from the first principle we have dy dx of this function to be limit as h is approaching 0 f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. Okay, now our f of x here is what? The function we are about to differentiate. So that's 5 plus 1 over x. Then f of x plus h is equal to 5 plus 1 all over. Instead of writing x here, we write x plus h because we have another function here. So we have x plus h. So now, in this question, that is the dy, the x here is going to be limit as h is approaching 0. Now, our f of x plus h is this new function here. So, 5 plus 1 over x plus h. Okay. Now, minus the f of x, that is the function we are differentiating. That is 5. Then minus 1 over x. So, everything over h. Okay, we have this as limit as h is approaching 0. Now we're going to subtract. That is, we have positive 5 here and we have negative 5 here. So I think the two of them get cancelled out. So we have 1 over x plus h minus 1 over x all over h here. Then close braces. So we have our dy dx to be limit as h is approaching 0. Now, this place, our common denominator there is going to be x, open brackets, x plus h. Then we have x minus x minus h. Then everything over h. Okay, what I did here, let me explain. I think to explain it here should be better because some of us may not understand what I did here. We have this 1 over x plus h minus 1 all over x. Okay, now we all know that the LCM of x plus h and x is going to be x times this x plus h. Okay, now x open bracket x plus h divided by x plus h. X plus h cancel x plus h remaining x. So that x times 1 here is what? X minus in bracket x open bracket x plus h divided by 1. Sorry, divided by this x. This x cancel this x remaining x plus h in bracket. So I have x minus x to open the bracket with this negative sign. So minus h all over x open bracket x plus h. So this is what I did to get this here. Now we have limits as h is approaching 0. Here x and x get cancelled since we have positive x and we have negative x. So x minus x is 0. So we have negative h here. Then over. What are we going to do about this place? Now, we need to know that when we have a over b, when we are dividing a over b by c, we can simply write this as a over b c. So what we have here now is x h open brackets x plus h, then close braces. So we have our dy dx to be limit as h is approaching 0. Now from here, this h and this h get cancelled out. So we have negative 1 over x open bracket x plus h close bracket then close bracket. So now as h is approaching 0 here, so we have negative 1 over x open bracket x plus 0 here. So we have negative 1 all over x plus 0 is x. So times x. So this is giving us negative 1 over x squared. Therefore, if y is equal to 5 plus 1 all over x, then our dy dx is going to be negative 1 over x raised to the power 2. Thank you for viewing, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share my videos and remain blessed.